How to pay US green card fees online. So there's a step-by-step method over here now on what you're basically going to have to do. So the first one is to gather what you need. So your A number, your DOS case ID, and a valid credit card, debit card, or US bank account. So you can just choose for whichever. But once you do so, you have the second option where you're gonna have to go to the official USCIS payment site. So you can click pay the USCIS immigrant fee. Then just log in, or if you don't have one, just create an account. Then you can enter your case info, so your A number, your DOS case ID, and then double check the number since they must match your visa records. Then just make the payment. So there is a $220 or around that per applicant, and you can choose a payment method from the prepared items, but you can complete the transaction and note your confirmation number. Then once you do all that, you can pretty much just save your receipt, print or download the payment confirmation, and it will prove that you paid and helps if there are any delays in issuing your green card. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.